I'm Josh Weiss, and this is Photo Editing with Lightroom Simplified. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced photographer, this course is your ticket to mastering the industry's standard editing tool, Lightroom Classic. In our first course, we'll dive deep into the library module, teaching you efficient organization techniques to streamline your workflow and keep your images easily accessible. Then, in our second course, get ready to take your images to the next level as we explore the Develop module. Learn how to make your photos stand out with advanced editing techniques. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your photography game. Enroll now in Photo Editing with Lightroom Simplified and unlock your creative potential.